Hey everybody, it's Marcy from wavesofcommunication.com, and I'm coming on today to talk to you about something very, very exciting. It is the release of my online course. It's called Language Facilitation Basics, and this online course is designed to help parents teach your late talking children how to use the words they need to share their wisdom with the world. In case you haven't met me before or seen me online, my name is Marcy Melzer, and I am an intuitive speech and language pathologist consultant. And for the past 18 months, I have been working online consulting families in how to help their children learn how to use the words they need to share their wisdom with the world. That is my mission. And I have done that with my face-to-face Waves of Communication parent coaching programs. And I know that there's lots of people who watch my videos because in addition to coaching parents face-to-face, I also do a lot of videos on Facebook and YouTube all about language facilitation because it is my mission to help as many parents as possible learn how to adopt language facilitation in your household and use it with your kiddos so that you can help your late talking children learn to use words. Because I know this method works, and I know that parents are the best language facilitators. I have 50 families who I have done plans for. I have analyzed their lives. I've never seen their children, and I told them what to do. And over the process of doing that, I learned how to figure it out. And so then I had to figure out how to put it down on video and print so that people could actually process it and understand it without me being there to explain it to them. Because in my face-to-face programs, I explain all my videos to everybody, all my strategies. I tell them exactly how to do it. I'm able to answer their questions and do all of these things. So I realized that when I put together this online course, it was going to have to be very comprehensive to be able to help all the different families. But I did remember, and I have figured out, that there is a process to this whole language facilitation journey, and it moves through phases. And every family might start at a different phase, but they all move through the same phases of natural language development. And so that's what the course is. It is modules of training that take families through all of the different phases of language development, from the very beginning in analysis all the way through to actually teaching your kids to communicate with other people. The thing you need to realize, though, is you also do the work yourself. You're going to have to really use your own intuitive skills, and I show you how in the course, but you have to be willing to adopt your own mindset and take this on your own without the support from me, except for here on my Facebook and YouTube. And you can always reach out on my Q&As to ask questions, but it's an independent study course, so you're going to have to try to figure out yourself, using my methods, how to do this on your own. And I know that parents can do this because parents have been structuring their own kids' design of their rehab forever. And the parents who I work with face-to-face, they all have their whole plan made. This is just the way to teach you the speech part, how to get your child talking. And this is a program to teach verbal speech. It doesn't teach anything like pictures or sign language. It teaches verbal speech. When you finish this program, you will know how to understand what's going on in your family to cause your child's late talking and to keep them nonverbal. And you will also learn in this program what you're doing right, and you will learn what you are doing wrong. And then you will learn how to replace the things you're doing wrong with the right strategies that work. And these are the same strategies that have worked for 50 families all over the world, speaking multiple languages, no matter what age their child is. I've got families in my program who are less than 2 and families in my program who are 10. So, and every family who uses the strategies as I am going to be dictating them in this class, every family sees improvements fast, faster than any speech therapy I ever provided in 28 years while I was working as a speech pathologist, speech therapist. Now I consult families, and this course is my dream come true. It is the class that I put together as part of my mission to help parents teach their late talking children how to use the words they need. And here's the thing. If you have been watching my videos and you want to take advantage of this, I have a super bit of gratitude actually to share with you. And it's in the way of an offer, of a pre-launch offer for my online course. The online course goes live on June 1st, 2019. And right now, if you click the link below this video, you'll go to a website where you can learn all about the course. You can learn everything that's included, tons of details about it, even watch me do another video to talk about the strategies. And you will be able to purchase that at a 10% discount if you order the class before it launches. This is the pre-order bonus deal that I have going, and when you pre-order the course, you'll only pay $450 for it. So that saves you 50 bucks, but it also does this. It gives you another bonus. It actually gives you a chance to work one-on-one with me, where I will do a video analysis for you. You'll have to do your own in the course, but you'll be able to work with me as a supplement, and I can give you one-on-one coaching for 30 minutes to give you the results of your video analysis and tell you exactly where in the course the strategies that will best help you target the blockages and the speech and language that you want to develop for your child. I'll tell you where to go to find the resources, not just in the course, but also I will direct you on my YouTube channel to the specific videos that you can watch over there that will maximize your course, that will actually take your course beyond this level to the next level. And you get that if you pre-order. And so this deal is only good until May 31st, 2019 at 12:59 p.m. Eastern Time. And that's when it is. There's a countdown timer on the website so you can see. So you definitely want to take advantage of this, because not only will this course then provide you with everything that my $1,500 face-to-face course provides, but it will also provide you with the strategies to take you beyond. It literally could be the only speech and language training you ever need for your child. And you can get it if you order before June 1st for $450. And it's kind of phenomenal that it's that great of a deal. But that's what I decided to do. So that's it. That's the deal. That's the offer. If you want all 8 modules and a 30-minute session with me and my intuitive video analysis to probably confirm what you're able to already figure out yourself, but you get that peace of mind. So when you do your analysis and you create your plan in the program, you can show it to me and I can see it and I can do my own and say, hey, did you think about this? Or maybe want to try that, and tweak it and make it rock solid for you so that you can be 100% confident in your plan that you create using the course. It all fits together and it all works great, and this is how the universe guided me to develop it. And like I said, after June 1st, the price of the program is going to be $500, and that's the most expensive it's ever going to be, because I want this course to be accessible to families everywhere. And you know, I can't help but wonder what families might do with $500 that couldn't get you this kind of result. It literally, like I said, could be the only speech and language training you ever need for your child, especially if your child is very young. The older kids might need a little bit more guidance to get their kids over some bigger blockages, but real young kids, this could replace your early intervention and speech therapy because you'll be able to figure it out. I'm going to train you exactly how to do it. And I know that it works because all the families that have testimonials on the website, it has worked for them, these exact same strategies. And now these parents don't need me anymore. In fact, most of them I hardly hear from because I started working with them a year ago and I trained them to be language facilitators, and all I do is get to watch their kids improve on Facebook because they learned how. So I know that parents can be independent with this. I know that they can learn how to do it after they're trained. And that's what this course does. It literally trains you to be a language facilitator and become one, and forever to be able to do it. So it's remarkable training, and I'm so pleased to be able to put it together. And you just joined this video late or you want to check it all out, the link below this video is the website that's dedicated specifically to this course. And you'll be able to go there, learn everything, and yeah, sign up right now so that you can work with me and we can get you started and I can help you teach your child and find out about your progress instead of just stalking me on Facebook and watching my videos and trying to do it on your own. You're going to learn exactly how to do everything. It's going to be really good. So I hope that you take advantage of this offer. I really, really do, because the universe guided to me to do this because, you know, I know that there are parents out there who need this information because you are stuck doing stuff that's not working for you and you're frustrated and you're worried and you don't know how to help your child, and I know how to help you, and now I put it down in a class and I'm so excited to be able to share it. Obviously, look at my anyway, sending out my love to all of you, and I hope that you decide to check out my class.